power n. Now let it equation 1. Then x plus square root of x square plus c square power n is equal to y. So we can write it as, by using one equation, what we get, dy upon dx n into y using 1, ny upon square root of x square plus a square. और यही हमें प्रूफ करना था. Now the next one, y is equals to x sin inverse x upon square root of 1 minus x square plus log of square root of 1 minus x square. We can write this as x sin inverse x 1 minus x square power minus 1 by 2 plus log of square root of 1 minus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx. Now here we have three terms in product form. So first as it is, derivative of first term, other two as it is, sin inverse x, derivative of x, then derivative of second, first and third as it is, derivative of sin inverse x, plus first and second as it is, derivative of third term, clear, plus derivative of log of square root of 1 minus x square. Is it clear? Now sin inverse x upon square root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of x is 1. X upon square root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square plus x sin inverse x power n, that is equals to n x power n minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now instead of x we have this term, so take the derivative of this. 1 is 0, x square is 2x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Instead of x we have term this, so we will have to take the derivative of that term also. So what we get here, sin inverse x upon square root of 1 minus x square plus x upon 1 minus x square plus x sin inverse x upon 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus x square. Now take the LCM, sin inverse x is common, square root of 1 minus x square is common, so 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square. So what we get, sin inverse x upon square root of 1 minus x square. Take the LCM here, it will get cancelled, so we get the result as sin inverse x upon 1 minus x square power 3 by 2. Note it down. Now the next one, y is equals to sine of m sin inverse x. Different respect to x, dy upon dx, derivative of sine of m sine inverse x. Let this as x. Derivative of sine is cos m sine inverse x. So derivative of m sine inverse x. So cos of m sine inverse x, m is constant. Derivative of sine inverse x is square root of 1 minus x square. 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Y is equals to e sine inverse x whole square. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy upon dx, derivative of e, let this as x. Derivative of ex is ex. X is sine inverse x whole square. So derivative of sine inverse x whole square. So e power sine inverse x square, let it be x. X power n. N x power n minus 1. 2 minus 1. And derivative of sine inverse x. So what we get? 2 sine inverse x e power sine inverse x whole square. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Note it down. और अगर ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन में y की जगह e की जगह पे हमारे पास a हो, a पावर साइन इनवर्स x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a पावर x इज a पावर x log of a, यही होगा डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a पावर x log of a पावर x log of a. Now x is this term, so derivative of sine inverse x square. Clear? A sine inverse x whole square log of a x power n, x n minus 1, 2 minus 1. Now derivative of sine inverse x. So this is the answer. Next is y is equals to e power cos inverse square root of 1 minus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equals to derivative of e, let it be x. Derivative of e power x is e power x. Cos inverse this. Now instead of x we have this term, so derivative of cos inverse this. Clear? E cos inverse 1 minus x square. Now derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. X is square root of 1 minus x square into derivative of x is this term. So square root of 1 minus x square. Now in the next step, 1 minus x square. Derivative of 1 is 0, x square is 2x. Minus minus plus 2x e cos inverse square root of 1 minus x square. Square root of x square is x. 1 minus x square. This term will get cancelled. So we get the result as e cos inverse square root of 1 minus x square upon square root of 1 minus x square. Now next one, y is equals to log of x with base 10 plus log of 10 with base x plus log of x plus log of 10. Log of a into a, that is 1. अगर सेम टर्म है that will be equal to 1. Now log of a b, that is equals to 1 upon log of b. We will use these formulas here. So we can write y as, before differentiating, write it as log of 10x plus 1 upon log with base 10x. This is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy upon dx, derivative of all these terms are in addition. We can write it as power minus 1 plus 2. This is log of ax, derivative of log of x with a. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, base is a, so log e with log a with base e is there. So derivative of this is 1 upon x, log of e with base e, a is 10. Now x power minus 1, x power minus 1, minus 2. Derivative of log of x with base a, 1 upon x, log of a with base e. Derivative of 2 is 0. So we can write it as, in the next step, 1 upon x, log of 10 with base e, minus 1 upon x, log of e with base 10 into log of 10 x square. We can take 1 upon x log e10 as common. So 1 minus 1 upon log of 10 x square. Now the next one, y is equals to 5 power 3 minus x square plus 3 minus x square power 5. Now what is the derivative of a power x? A power x log a. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equals to derivative of 5 power 3 minus x square. These terms are in addition, so we will have to take the separate derivatives of these terms. Derivative of a power x is a power x log of a. Since x is 3 minus x square, so we will have to take the derivative of that term. Now this is x what we get? 5 power 3 minus x square log of 5. Derivative of 3 is 0, x square is 2x. 5 into 3 minus x square power 4. Derivative of 3 is 0, x square is 2x. Minus 2x is common. 5 power 3 minus x square log of 5 plus 5 into 3 minus x square power 4. Note it down. Now next one. If y is equals to square root of a square plus x square upon plus square root of a square minus x square upon square root of a square plus x square minus square root of a square minus x square, show that dy upon dx is equal to minus 2a square upon x cube into 1 plus a square upon square root of a4 minus x4. Now this is the term. First we will have to rationalize it for simplification. So rationalize the term upon square root of a square plus x square minus this. Rationalize करेंगे a square plus x square plus a square minus x square upon, when there is a plus sign, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. A square will get cancelled. 2x square, 2 is common. a4 minus x4 upon 2x square. So we get a square upon x square plus square root of a4 minus x4 x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. So what we get? Dy upon dx, a square is constant, derivative of